Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Tesla Model Y glove box. While typically opened via the touchscreen, there are times when a manual approach is essential. This guide will help you access your glove box even without power. We'll cover locating the hidden release and how to operate it safely. This simple process ensures you can always retrieve important items, providing peace of mind in unexpected situations. To find the manual release, position yourself on the passenger side of your Model Y. Look carefully underneath the dashboard, directly above where your feet would rest. You're searching for a small, often black, plastic lever or tab. It's usually tucked away, so you might need to lean in and use a flashlight to spot this discrete mechanism. Once you've located the small lever or tab, gently pull it towards you or push it, depending on its design. You don't need to apply excessive force. A light, steady pressure is usually sufficient. As you activate the mechanism, you should hear a soft click, and the glove box door will unlatch and swing open, granting you access to its contents. Remember, the manual release is primarily for emergency situations, such as when your vehicle has no power or the touchscreen is unresponsive. Always handle the mechanism gently to avoid any damage. If, after following these steps, your glove box still doesn't open, or if you encounter any resistance, it's best to contact Tesla service for professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.